Hello everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how to buy ALGO token on Binance. First, open Binance Exchange. Then you will see an interface like this. First of all, you have to click on Trade. Then you will come to a page like this. Then again, you will have to click here. After that, you have to search here for ALGO/USDT. So I am searching here for ALGO/USDT. Then you can see that ALGO/USDT has appeared here. Click on it again. After clicking on it, you will come to a page like this. First, you have to click on Limit here. Then select Market here. Then you have to enter the amount here that you want to buy. That amount, you have to enter this amount. I am entering $100 here. Then you have to click on Buy Algo. That way your Algo purchase will be completed within the Binance Exchange. So you can buy Algo like this on the Binance Exchange. If you like the video, please give it a like. To get more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.